Hello class, now in this video we will study class 10th maths NCRT chapter 6 triangle exercise 6.2 question number 7 and 8. Okay, so in previous video we have done question number first to 6 of exercise 6.2 triangle chapter. So please, in each video of exercise 6.2 I told you please go through my third and fourth videos where I have explained basic proportionality theorem and converse of basic proportionality theorem. You will do 10 times proving of basic proportionality theorem and converse of basic proportionality theorem. If you have done well, then 4 marks is confirmed in your board examination. Okay, let's do question number 7 and 8. So using BPT, so using basic proportionality theorem, prove that a line drawn through midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. Okay, so here is solution. So before solution you will make a triangle. So here is make a triangle. So ABC BC. Using BPT, using basic proportionality theorem, prove that a line drawn through midpoint of one side. So here is a midpoint of one side of a triangle, that is D, of a triangle parallel to another side. This is parallel to this side. Okay, prove that it also bisect the third side. It means prove that E is also a midpoint of AC, that is A is equal to EC. Okay, so given, what is given? Given is D is in triangle ABC, given in triangle ABC, D is midpoint of AB, that is AD is equal to DB. AD is equal to DB. AD is equal to DB, and DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. Okay. So now prove that prove that E is midpoint of AC, that is A is equal to EC. So you have to prove here A is equal to EC. Now here proof. Okay. So in triangle, so recall question class 9th also this theorem uh, is also there. If D is a midpoint and this one is a parallel, you have to prove your E is also the midpoint. Okay, so midpoint theorem, you have know that if D is a midpoint and E is the midpoint, then D is parallel to BC. Okay, in midpoint theorem in class 9th. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC, DE is parallel to BC. Okay, so AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC, equation 1, by basic proportionality theorem. By basic proportionality theorem. Okay, so now no AD at DB, so you can write DB AD is equal to AE upon EC. Why? Because since AD is equal to DB. AD is equal to DB. So cancel out 1 and 1. So 1 upon 1 is equal to AE upon EC, cross multiplication. So A is equal to EC. So if A is equal to AC, hence E is midpoint of Hence, E is midpoint of AC. E is a midpoint of AC. E is a midpoint of AC. Okay? E is midpoint of AC. Okay, next question number 8. Using converse of BPT, prove that line joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side. So here, what is the common between question number 7 and 8? If this one is a parallel, if D is a midpoint, then E is also a midpoint. Or if what the question has said, if converse D and E is midpoint, then prove that by midpoint theorem D is parallel to it. Is this question number 8 is just converse of question number 7. If this D is midpoint and this D is parallel to BC, then E is also midpoint. And what the question number 8 has said, if D is parallel to BC, then D and E both are midpoint. Okay, so third side. Okay, so now you will make a triangle first of all. So here is a triangle ABC, and this one is DE is parallel to BC. So solution here given given is D and E are midpoint. D and E are midpoints of AB and AC. AB and AC. D and E are midpoint of AB and AC. Okay, it means so AD is equal to DB and A is equal to EC because midpoint. Okay, now prove that third side is parallel two side third side is parallel to the next side. It means DE is parallel to BC. You have to prove DE is parallel to BC. Now proof is in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AD upon DB. AD upon DB is equal to 1. When you then AD is equal to DB. DB come to this side. DB come to this side. AD upon DB is equal to 1. This is equation 1 by because midpoint of AB. Okay. Next, and AE upon EC is equal to 1. Again, this is equation number 1 because midpoint of AC, midpoint of AC. Okay, so from equation 1 and 2, so from equation 1 and 2, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. AE upon EC. AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. So AD upon DB is equal to AE upon hence DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC by converse of BPT. Converse of by converse of basic proportionality theorem. By basic proportionality theorem. Okay, you will go through the each and every step of this question number 8. Okay, if the ratios are same, then it is a parallel. If they are a parallel, the ratios are equal by using BPT or converse of BPT. Okay, so please pause this video and go through each and every step of question number 7 and 8 to help to understand what is question number 7 and 8 has touched. Okay, so please like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.